We've actually taken part in the 2 Smart Nano programs, the Smart Manufacturing Accelerator and then the Smart Manufacturing Challenge. So coming under the program, we initially knew very little about vision systems and IoT sensors and how they could be used within the food production environment.
So initially, whenever we got the first sort of rundown, there was all the technologists in the one room with all their different, so like the 5G, the AI and ML models, the vision systems. You got your hands on, you could go from station to station and just sort of ask the technologists various questions and really get a deep dive into it.
So through the programme, we were assigned a mentor, William at McColgan's Quality Foods in Strabane. He was able to give us a walk through the factory and talk to us about some of the production problems that he was having.
For the 4 years that I've been here, I've been wanting to gather more data and be able to employ some advanced IoT and analytics technologies in order to improve the business. And it's been very challenging finding the right partner with the right skill set to investigate these problems with us. The Smart Nano program has given us access to engaged, motivated and expert resources to tackle these things.
Without the Digital Catapult Smart Manufacturing Challenge program, we would have never been able to have access to William and his factory. Just being able to test our proof of concept in a large food production factory such as McColgan's has been key to us, and it's made the program worthwhile.